Hey everyone, Matt here again from Redneck Reviews. Today I'm going to show you an extended magazine for your Glock 43. There's a lot of options for this, so I'm going to show you a few now. If you have a Glock 43, this is your standard magazine. 6 rounds. As you can see, there's a gap right here that bothers some people, doesn't bother others, but your standard magazine only has 6 rounds in it. You can buy magazine extenders for these. They give you 2 extra rounds. So you'd be having 8 rounds in the magazine, 1 in the gun, for 9 rounds total. This one here you can get on eBay. This one here is really cheap. It's like 13 bucks. Gives you a better grip on your gun. If you got bigger hands, your pinky will go right here. Makes the grip of the gun way better. This one is just cheap plastic one. Works fine, $13. You still have the gap. Now, I have found another one that matches the checkering of your gun, so it looks the same and it gets rid of that gap. Now, these ones are a bit more expensive. They're from Striker Industries, E.M.P. Plus for the Glock 43. You can get 2 of these for $23. And I've done 2 already, and I'm doing 2 more now because I like these ones quite a bit better than the cheaper plastic ones. These ones just come with the extended mag and the plug. Goes in there, your spring sets on there, and you slide it in. I'm going to show you how to do that here in a minute. So either one, all you really need is an Allen. They're kind of a pain. I'm not going to do this one, but you take an Allen or a screwdriver or something, push it on that center hole, and take this off. This one I'm keeping original. I'm changing this one out. They're kind of a pain, but they're simple. So you just take your Allen, you push that in, pop that spring down, and you slide that back. And once you get it a little bit started, take your finger and put it over there because that spring will fly out at you. Now you're going to want to try and squeeze it. I've had to use pliers sometimes. I don't recommend that. You'll scuff up your magazine. If you have a safe, a vise, I mean, those work great. that was facing upward, hanging up on this here. I said they're kind of a pain. You want to try and just take your Allen. All you're doing is pushing that inward to take the tension off. They're simple to do, they're just kind of a pain. So you hold that so it doesn't fly out at you, and you just take that right out. This base plate is what the new one comes with. So you take your old base plate off. The end with the dot on it is the end you want facing down. So you just put that right back over your spring. This spring comes with the cheaper plastic one. So when you change out this kind, you get rid of the original Glock spring. This one I found that the original Glock spring does work a little better. So I've changed back out to the original Glock spring. So that's supposed to go in there flush. You can see I had it down there wrong. You just switch it back around. At least have a little notch right there. You're going to want to try and squeeze it in to get it to just get past that notch. Past that notch on both ends, you can see my tool marks from trying to use pliers, so try and avoid that if you can. The brand new magazines are a bit stiffer. This one's been taken apart and put back together a few times. Once you get it in past that notch, then you just go all the way. You'll hear that popping noise, and there you go. That's all there is to it. Like I said, it's not difficult. It's just can be a bit of a pain to get them off and on. And then there you have +2 extended magazine that matches the factory Glock, and it gets rid of the gap. So I like these ones a little better. There are more expensive ones. They're like $34 for one. I have not tried those yet. I don't know if they're any better. I did come across these Striker Industries +2 for Glock 43. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe. Appreciate it.